Hello, 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 everybody. I hope you guys are having a good time out there and staying safe. Hope your spring break went well, although who knows how different that is from any other day now, huh? This week is going to be really straightforward. I don't even have a PowerPoint presentation because we're keeping it really, really simple. The last day to turn in any work to me for this class is going to be Friday the 17th. Please, 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 if you owe me anything, get it to me by then. You have a short assignment, which I'll show you right now. It's going to be due the 16th. If you did not do last week's assignment, which was due today, the 14th, please, please get that into me. Underneath modules, you will find the third week's assignment. Click it open. Let's see what it is. Hey, it's one more final bridge video. So you guys are going to take a look at how the Brooklyn Bridge was constructed and engineered. There's a link to it right here, right here. It's the same link. And then you just have to answer these 6 questions. That's it. Straight and easy. Next week, start of quarter 4, we're probably going to go ahead and start our next unit, which is going to be electricity. So stay tuned for that. That's going to be a lot of fun, and we'll try to make it a little more interactive. I know you guys might not enjoy watching videos and answering questions all the time, so we'll try to mix it up a little bit. Once again, please, 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 if you need to contact me, send me an email. I'm happy to have a Zoom conference with you during my office hours or by appointment, but you gotta let me know you need that time, okay? Not a mind reader, I don't know what you need. If you have any questions, send them my way through email. Alright, I hope you guys are keeping up. Have a good one.